It's that time of year when folks are busting their hot rods and Harleys out of the garage and they want to keep the rides looking clean and pristine. Well, if you want to grab people's attention with your set of wheels, you got to use the best tools for the job. Introducing the original California Mini Duster. The dirtier it gets, the better it works has been the California Car Duster's motto since its inception in 1989. This duster was designed from the ground up to ensure you get a one-wipe clean, with the 12-inch head being made of a cotton polyester blend and a special paraffin wax literally baked into the fibers. This means that it actually lifts the dust off the surfaces rather than pushing it around. California Car Duster recommends you let your new duster sit on a newspaper for 24 hours before your first use to remove any excess wax, and to shake it vigorously before and after each use. After 2 or 3 uses, your duster will be properly seasoned, ensuring it leaves no streaks. And as their motto suggests, you never need to clean this duster, just shake and you're good. It comes in a classy carrying case to prevent the wax leaving behind any residue. And its compact size makes it perfect to toss in your glove box for easy access. Not the right size for you? Well, not to worry, because here at Gregg's we also carry the original 20-inch model, the larger 30-inch model with 360-degree coverage, as well as the duster for your rims, dry blade for removing water, and even the jelly blade for those hard-to-reach corners. So you can keep your whip and home dust-free with this week's feature product, the original California Mini Duster. What's your favorite car product? Let me know in the comment section and give us a follow and stay up to date with our 100% Canadian content. See you next time.